Hot shave with a toasty lather every day. This heavy-duty porcelain shaving scuttle retains temperature longer than your ordinary shave mug. Lather your favorite soaps and creams directly in your new shaving mug, and enjoy a hot shave, just like at the barbershop. This shaving mug set comes with everything you need to wet shave, naked Amor shave brush and our organic shaving soap for an excellent experience. Best hot shave ever. Tons of warm, frothy lather. What an amazing shave. Tom, TX. The perfect shape shave. The Scuttle's wide lip short sides are perfect for lathering your favorite shaving soap or cream. The convenient thumb on top handle technology allows you to hold your shaving scuttle mug at any angle you want while dipping the brush into a warm lather for several passes. Twist, turn, dip your brush into your shave bowl to get every bit of lather you need. Your scuttle will remain warm well past your shave. Perfect gift for dad, husband, brother. Naked Armor Savanna Shaving Scuttle Mug Kit is the perfect gift for the stylish man in your life who wants to experience a barber-like hot shave at home every day. Give the gift of looking good, feeling good, and help make men feel irresistibly handsome with their ceramic shave mug. Handmade by craftsmen, loved by women. Genuine porcelain gives your shaving mug a solid feel and a beautiful appearance on your bathroom counter. Men or women can use this shaving bowl to help create a great wet shave experience. The Naked Armor Shaving Cream Bowl creates a creamy lather foam like a magic cream experience that Jimi Hendrix would have been proud of and could have written a song about. He would call it the perfect scuttle mug or scuttle bowl. Hot shave cream dispenser. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice scuttle. If you enjoy wet saving and a nice warm lather, this is for you. It produces a large amount of lather and to stay warm for 3 passes. I've only used it twice but have not been disappointed. Only drawback is the size of the handle. I don't have large hands, so for me it's okay. I could see what a larger hand might encounter.